worry about my body type. I wonder if I'm what they like, but I should just say fuck it, right?